Mbote na bino nyonso. Ndenge nini lelo oyo boyei malamu na lingala kitoko. Liteya to pesije ya mokolo echali alfabeti na lingala. Motuna etunami ezabwe. Alfabeti ya lingala ezali ndenge moko na oyo ya Français toli Français na lingelesi tote. Wana motuna. Hi everyone. How do you do today? Welcome to Lingala Kitoko. The subject of the day is the Lingala alphabet. Now the question is being asked. Is the Lingala alphabet the same as the French and English one? Is it? Are you ready to learn? Let's do it. Grab your notebook and pen, please have a seat. Alphabet Lingala alphabet. We all know, to every bishop knows, que alphabet na français na français pe na lingelesi ezalaka na ba voyelle ebele. Tebi que non, alphabet ezali na tuku mibale na motoba na mobimba. As we all know, the alphabet has 26 letters in total. Ezana baletre tuku mibale na motoba na mobimba. Kasi na lingala baletre oyo ezalaka te. In Lingala, these letters do not exist in the Lingala alphabet. According to my knowledge, these following letters do not exist in the Lingala alphabet. Na bandeli susu baleka oyo ezalaka te na alphabet ya Lingala. Lettre lokola, letters like R, lettre R ezalaka te na Lingala, lettre G ezalaka te na Lingala, lettre X ezalaka te na Lingala, lettre C ezalaka te na Lingala, lettre H ezalaka te na Lingala, lettre Q ezalaka te na Lingala, lettre U ezalaka te na Lingala, pe lettre J ezalaka te na Lingala. Na bandeli lettre R, lettre G, lettre X, lettre C, lettre H, lettre Q, lettre U, puis lettre J ezalaka te na Lingala. In the Lingala alphabet, the following letters do not exist. These are the letter R, the letter G, the letter X, the letter C, the letter H, the letter Q, the letter U, and the letter J. I repeat, letter R, G, X, C, H, Q, U, and G do not exist in Lingala. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Baletre mwambe ezalaka te na Lingala. Moko ibali isatu mine mitano kutoba sambo mwambe sambo. Baletre 8. Baletre mwambe na lobi ezali te na monoko ya Lingala. Baletre mwambe ezalaka te. Na sika tozala na tuku na mibale na motoba tozwi mwambe. Na baletre oyo, lettre oyo ezalaka. Out of 26 letters, only 8 do not exist in Lingala. Now let's go to the alphabet. A, ndakisa, abeba. Mwana oyo abeba. A is for spoil. Example, IG. This child is spoiled, is ruined, soiled. B lokola baba. Andele aza baba. B is for mute. IG, Andrew is mute. D lokola jamba. Diamba to jamba. D is for weed. A lokola elongi. Elongi no kitoko. E is for face. You have a pretty face. F lokola fandawa. F is for sit here. E lokola itori. E is for itori. Itori is an animal, a mammal animal. K, not A, sorry. E in English is I. I for itori. Itori is an animal, a mammal. K lokola kebadi. Now kebi so. K is for beware. Watch your mouth. I say watch your mouth. I. L lokola Lola. Tango yeso kozonga omebabiso na Lola na likolo. L for paradise or the heaven. When Christ shall return, it will take us to heaven. M lokola mwana. Mwana nanga moke. I call here M is for mwana is a child, a kid. It's like kiddo, kid. IG, baby is growing. My baby grew. He grew up. N lokola nani. Oza yaponete nani wana na pot. Nani wana ni kuke. N is for who. Who is it? American English, who that is at the door? Who that is at the door? Who is it at the door? I. O lokola ozui, olapa, opusa. O is for serves you right in your face. That suits you. P lokola pondo. Ngai na lela pondo mabe. P is for cassava leaves. I love so much cassava leaves. S lokola sete. Babeta ki Yesu basete mekuluse. S is for nail. They nailed Jesus on the cross. T lokola T. T here is T and I in Lingala. T is for T. To tinate. T is for T or tinate is worthless. V. Vanda. You see the difference? Muni bokesidi. Fanda na vanda. V is for have a seat. W pona umela na yo di. W is for be there forever, remain there forever. Long live the king. Awumela mukonza awumela di, long live the king. Y is upon her. Yanga nini wana. But baswana batunyo. Yanga nini wana. Y is for the people are quarreling or fighting. Does it concern me? What's my problem in it? In it? Peyasuka Z. Z pona Zamba. Zamba Equateur. Z is for the forest. The equator forest. Yo, that's it. You have learned the Lingala alphabet that instead of having 26 letters, where we do 26 minus 8. Feel me? It's remaining 68. What am I saying? 18 letters. So now, out of 26, we have 18 because 8 do not exist in Lingala. If the today lesson in the previous one has pleased you, don't forget to like, leave a comment, recommend with others, and subscribe. Yo, oyuko sikawa alphabet na Lingala. Oyibete, nese tuzana tukumi bali na motoba, tuzana zomi na mwambe. Poete mwambe, baleta mwambe, ezalaka te na Lingala. Soki dite ya to leso ya leo to oili ke sipe si ko sante ko chali lo bato ko commenter, ko aimer, ko partager, ko s'abonner. I will see you next time.